Hello, YouTube. Hello, my fellow spicy nacho Doritos. I just want to add on to my other follow-up review video for the Executioner USA Patriot limited edition electric fly swatter I have. Which this video will have that same title, name, but with space NULL after, because this is a part of that video in a different video. So when I was using this electric fly swatter, before, what I mean is before it broke, it did kill moths and fruit flies. It obliterated moths, and what I mean is, and fruit flies. I don't think I used, what I mean is, I don't think I used this yet on a average fly that is bigger than the fruit fly size, which is, if a fruit fly is like this big, it was like this big for fatness from its bottom to its top, for how I would assume a idea. What I mean is a idea of how big, or I mean, maybe if I said fat, I meant big. For how big it is, even though I am probably not accurate by any possible small percentage. Maybe I got pretty close for my estimate. Well, what I mean is, for my estimate, and it might be 0.00000000001% off, but who knows? So this electric fly swatter, like I think I said before, can obliterate both moths and fruit flies, because it did that when what I mean is when I used it before it started melting itself from the inside of this type of area. As I mentioned, the exact location for that, where it happened, and the follow-up review video for this electric fly swatter, I am what I mean is that I am adding on to it in this other part of that video in a different video, which I call the videos for my YouTube channel that I use the labeling NULL to represent for that. Type of video. Well, what I mean is for that type of video value, which is why it is called NULL. Whenever I have a YouTube video using that type of value system, also, regardless if a video of mine has a null value or not, there is also one value I add on top of that type of labeling, which is space 0.00, and then when I am done with that, I just keep increasing the value. Well, what I mean is the value for that, and when the value is high enough for the 0 before, what I mean is before 0.00, I will then add a extra place value. And then that number value will rise. What I mean is will rise from then on. Bye YouTube. Bye my fellow spicy nacho. Or what I mean is by what I mean is by YouTube, by my fellow spicy nacho Doritos.